Okay, guys, this is the last video that I'll be creating for the partial final exam review, and probably the last video I'll be creating for the entire semester. Now, and it says, number 14, make a scatter diagram for the data. Use the scatter diagram to describe how, if at all, the variables are related. So we have 7 subjects, subject A through G. X is the independent variable that is time watching television, and Y is the dependent variable in this case, and is going to be the time on the internet. And you want to see if there's some sort of relationship based on the scatter plot, which is known as the correlation coefficient. Now, we're not being asked to compute that. Just make the scatter plot and determine if there's a relationship. So the first one for subject A is 9 and 14. So 9 is between 8 and 10. And I want to zoom in more so I can get a better approximation. And let's make also the pen thicker. 9 and 14. Now my hand-eye coordination sucks. 5 and 12. So right here, 5 and 12. Also, let me label them as well. This is A. This is B. The next one says 3 and 8. C. 8 and 17. So 8 is here. 17. We'll put that right here. That's D. And you don't have to label it like that as well. I'm just showing you where each spot will go. 6 and 9. That'll be right here. Nope. My hand-eye coordination once again getting the better of me. Subject E. Actually, wait a minute. I did subject F by accident. This is F. 6 and 9 is F. E is 8 and 18 because D is 8 and 17. E is 8 and 18. So let me go up here. 8 and 18. I'm going to put it right here. So this one is E. This one is subject D. I did F. And then subject G says 7 and 18. So 7 and 18. Okay. And that's going to be right here. All right, guys. This is how the scatter plot will look. Each of the subjects has been labeled. Took longer than I expected it, so I apologize. Now, let me erase these letters because I only want to focus on the dots. It says describe the relationship. Well, if I sketch a line of best fit that's going to try to show a relationship between each of the data points, the data values appear to be going upwards. Therefore, we can say that there is a positive relationship between the variables. All right, guys, that is it for number 14. Hope that makes sense. You just plot the points on the axes, and then based on the direction, the trend of the relationship, the trend of what is going on, we can make some sort of assumption about the relationship. Let's do 15. 15 says state whether the scatter diagram shows a strong positive correlation, a weak positive correlation, a strong negative correlation, or a weak negative correlation, or no correlation at all. If we look here, we can see that we are decreasing. As X gets bigger, Y seems to get smaller. So we can establish the fact that there is some sort of negative relationship. So we can eliminate a strong positive and a weak positive. And because we can see that there's some sort of relationship, we can put that we can eliminate the option of having no correlation. However, The points are also scattered as well. They're not tightly fit together. The scatter plot is not tightly fit together. Therefore, we're going to say that this is a weak negative correlation as the answer to number 15. All right, guys, that is it for the video. That is it for the question. I wish you guys the best of luck on your final exam. Once again, please watch the other videos if you need to. Hopefully you guys enjoyed everything that you've seen here. You like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel if you would like. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Well, maybe next semester because it's the final exam. So take care.